Hello everyone, thank you so much for clicking on my video. My name is Mrs. Mokele. In today's video, we are going to be transcribing and sounding the consonant sound R. The letter R gives the sound R. R. The name is R, like this, but the sound is the small letter R. Okay, I have the word examples. Let me open the slashes now, and then we will transcribe them and sound them together. Okay, let's go. This is rest. This one is rain. This one is run. Remember, your letter U gives the sound R. Okay? Run. And this one is rake. This one is rope. This one is rose. This one is rice. This one is rise. This one is race. This is not a swimming S. I hope it looks like S. It's not a swimming S. Sorry. This is race. Let me write the. Okay, this one is re. Spect. And this one is re. V. Le. Should be a long word. Okay, let me close them up and then we sound them together. Good. This is rest. Rest. Rain. Rain. Run. Run. Rake. Rake. The letter A is answering its name here. Even this, yeah, it's answering its name here. Rake. Rope. The letter O is also answering its name here, not the sound. Rope. Rope. Rose. Rose. The letter I as well is answering its name in this word. Rice. Look at I. Rice. Rice. Rise. Rise. Race. Same thing here. Race. Then respect. 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 You don't have respect. Now this one is revelation. Revelation. Okay, let me go once more. Rest. Rain. Run. Rake. Rope. Rose. Rise. Rise. Race. Respect. Revelation. Thank you so much for clicking and watching my video. Please endeavor to search out some words and transcribe. Transcription is very, very interesting and it's good for everybody. It helps to boost our memory and makes our brain work better. Thank you. The Lord bless you.